Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. A new learning program, Learn with Smart Way. It is the way how to get 10 by 10 in the board examination. Follow regularly and achieve your goal. In this video, I am going to explain one of the most important long answer type problem. We can expect like these problems in the board examination. Keep on watching. Don't miss the video till the end. That will helpful for you. One more thing, I am requesting you, if you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button. As well as you can go with playlist also. Progressions, one of the most important long answer type problem. In an AP, if the 5th and 12th terms are 30 and 65 respectively, find the AP and what is the sum of first 20 terms. Let us see what is given in this problem. Here it is given 5th term and 12th term of an AP 30 and 65 is given. We need to find the AP and sum of 20 terms we need to find. So what is the general form of an AP? Yes, it is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D A plus 3D so on. Now we need to find the sum of first 20 terms. We know the first n terms, we are getting the 20 terms. So see the solution here, what is given for that one. I am writing given 5th term of an AP A5 equals 30. You know the nth term of an AP? Yes, it is A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term of an AP. Here, what is given? 5th term it is given. 5th term means A plus n minus 1 into D means 5 minus 1 into D means we can get A plus 4D equals 30. This is equation number 1. So 5th term A plus 4D equal to 30. Next 12th term we can take 12th term of an AP A12 equal 65 it is given. So here 12th term means A plus 11D equals 65. This is equation number 2. Here equation number 1 A plus 4D equals 30. Equation number 2 A plus 11D equals 65. From here to we need to find D value. So from otherwise you can take subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So what is the equation number 2? A plus 11D equals 65 and A plus 4D equals 30. Minus. This is plus A, this is minus A. A plus A minus A get cancelled. Now here 11D to 4D you can subtract. 11D minus 4D it is 7D equal 65 minus 30 is 35. So D equal 35 by 7. 7 1s are 7 5s are. So D value we got here 5. Now D value you can substitute in any equation 1 or 2. So I am taking first equation, I am taking from equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? A plus 4D equal 30. So here D equal 5 implies A plus 4 into 5 equal 30. So A plus 4 5s are 20 equal 30. This 20 you can transpose. So A equal 30 minus 20. A equal to 10. 30 minus 20 we can get 10. So here we got A value and D value. Now you can write the general form. So what is the general form? So the AP equal, general form I am writing A comma, A plus D comma, A plus 2D, so on. A means we got here 10, comma, 10 plus D value here 5, comma, 10 plus 2 into D means 5, so on. That equal 10, comma, 10 plus 5 is 15, comma, here 10 plus 2 into 5, that is 10, that equals so on. 10, comma, 15, comma, 10 plus 10 is 20, so on. So the AP we got it here. So the AP we got here 10, comma, 15, comma, 20 we got. Now we need to find sum of first 20 terms. So what is the sum of n terms of an AP? S. So sum of n terms of an AP, Sn equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But we need only 20 terms. So sum of 20 terms of an AP, S20, n value we can take 20. So n terms means n by 2. So here n value is 20 by 2, comma, 2 into A value how much we got it here? 10 plus 20 minus 1 into D value is 5. That equal 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 10 of 2 into 10 20 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 5. That equal 10 of 20 plus 19 into 5. 19 into 5 that is 95. That equal 10 of 20 plus 95 is 115. That equal 10 into 115 is 1150. So sum of 20 terms of an AP we got here 1150. Dear students and viewers who need this video, please share. It will helpful for others also. Suggest to them to subscribe the channel. I hope like these problems are very clear for you. Practice well and we will meet in the next video. Don't forget like and comment. Don't forget subscribe the channel. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.